Hello everyone, this is Deepak and welcome to the Tech Particle channel. Here we are with the very first video of the tutorial of C++. In this video, we will discuss about the prerequisites of the tutorial and finally conclude for whom this tutorial have been made. And after that, we will just run a simple program to print Hello World. So let's begin with the about of the tutorial. Basically, this tutorial focuses on the basics of C++ programming language. The method that we will follow will be simple and the practical approach would be taken to consider during explanation and writing the logic of the code. After that, we come to the prerequisites for this tutorial. You should have a computer with decent internet connectivity. After that, this requires very simple mathematics knowledge. No prior programming knowledge is required. We will start from the very basics and go to the advanced level. You may need to install code blocks or dev C++ IDE for writing the code and compiling, or you can also use any compiler, online compiler like Ideon or anything. The link has been shown here. Then after, the main thing for whom this tutorial have been made. This tutorial have been prepared for the beginner to easily understand the basics to advanced level in programming. Now let's see the very first program in C++ programming language. So we will write a C++ program to print a hello world. This is a program to print hello world. Right from the very first line, this is comment and this is also a comment. The statements in sky blue color, this all are comments. Comments in coding is always praised because comments made your code more readable, and good thing of the comments is that while compiling, compiler omits the comments, so comments are beneficial. So let's start with the code. Hash include a statement. This statement, it is a way of including a standard or user defined file in the program, and it is mostly written at the beginning of any C++ program. While importing file using angular brackets, that is this and this, the preprocessor uses the predetermined directory path to access the file. It is mainly used to access system header files located in a standard system directory. The IO stream, that is within this angle bracket, it stands for input output stream. This header file contains definitions to object like scene, cout, where scene and cout are the things that is used to take information from the user and give information to the user. Using namespace std, it tells the compiler to use a standard namespace. It imports the entirely of the standard namespace into the current namespace of the program. After that, main program int main is written. These all things are written in this sequence. So after that, the main program. What is main program? Main is the mandatory function in any C++ program code. It defines the entry point of the program. Int is the return type of the function. Main returns to the operating system. If the program is successfully compiled, then it will return 0, and if it fails, then it will return 1. After that, the opening bracket opens, and within the two brackets, the entire function is written. Cout hello world. Cout will help the user to get information, and it will pop up this hello world statement that is within code. After that, the endl. Endl is the line breaking statement. This was a one line program, and this line will responsible for printing hello world, and after that return 0. Return is basically due to this int type, since the main function is of return type as int, so will return 0. So this was the hello world program. I will compile it and show you. This will print hello world. See, this is printed hello world. So there is an important point. Comment can be by two types. This is single line comment. You can use double slash and write whatever you want to write. And for multiple lines, you can use a backslash asterisk and then at last asterisk backslash. And within these two, you can write any number of lines. It will be treated as a comment in C++ language. This is a programming exercise. You have to write a C++ program to print this statement hello here. After that, new line, welcome to the tech particle. Please note that you have to include a new line after your name here. Please practice this, and I will show the code in the next video. So guys, if you really like this video, give us a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel if not done yet, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.